In spring, Calandrinia, a gray-green shrub succulent, sends up brilliant magenta, poppy-like flowers. Calandrinia has been renamed Cistanthe grandiflora, but most longtime gardeners still use the original name. It's also called rock purslane. In this video, I'll explain how to keep Calandrinia healthy and blooming and show you numerous ways it can enhance your garden. I'm Deborah Lee Baldwin, author of 3 books about succulents and how to use them in gardens, landscapes, and containers. During my 30-year career as a journalist specializing in low-water plants, I've grown nearly every kind of succulent in my inland Southern California garden. Calandrinia is good for gardens near native chaparral. Neither deer nor rabbits will eat it. Buds form along 2 to 3 foot tall flower stems that are as thin as spaghetti. Shrubs attain a height of 1 to 2 feet and under ideal conditions spread 3 to 4 feet. Calandrinia's care and cultivation are about the same as any succulent. However, it does best in the ground, not in pots, and benefits from fertilizers that boost flower production. Calandrinia needs sun to bloom and thrive, but to get all the sun it needs, it has to be out in the open, which, depending on where you live, may expose it to too much sun, especially in summer. It tends to be happiest closer to the coast. It is cold hardy compared to similar leafy shrub succulents. It'll go down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. When blooms are spent and no buds remain, cut stems where they emerge from the plant. This tidies the shrubs and encourages repeat blooming. Keep shrubs compact by trimming them during winter dormancy by about 1/3 to 1/2. Stems will branch where cut and send forth new leaves, followed by flowers. The bonus are cuttings you can use to fill garden gaps. Used as a foreground plant, Calandrinia suggests a beaded curtain. That's Agave attenuata behind it, and this is Agave weberi, Arizona star. Here in my garden, Calandrinia contrasts with yellow lampranthus ice plant. It's eye-catching to combine complementary colors, and for Calandrinia's vivid magenta, that means yellow or yellow-green. The brighter, the better. And here it contrasts with the yellow flowers of Sedum rubrotinctum. Calandrinia also looks amazing with anything orange, like Euphorbia tyricale sticks on fire. Also contrast it with Aeonium Zwartkop, which is a burgundy succulent so dark it looks black. This garden was all started from cuttings. The blue is Senecio mandrilicae. Here's Calandrinia with ice plant. Both bloom at the same time, so why not combine them? Surrounding the plants with a top dressing of crushed rock helps keep weed growth down, holds moisture in the soil, and enhances the look of a garden. Jeff Moore of Solana Succulents used Calandrinia as an airy background plant that draws the eye into a garden with rock pathways and boulders. Magenta flowers serve as backup singers for aloes agaves, yucca rostrata, purple echeverias, barrel cacti, blue senecio, dark aeoniums, red flowering Euphorbia millii, and cascading Portulacaria afra. This flower bed includes yellow daylilies, red geraniums, purple statice, and in the foreground, blue fescue. There's also a large Agave attenuata, and in the back, a Furcrea. Like other non-spiny succulents, Calandrinia is a good choice alongside swimming pools. Notice how the water reflects the flowers. You can tell from this photo the direction of greatest sunlight. And just look at those lacy shadows. Plant Calandrinia amid columnar cacti and euphorbias to create a landscape that suggests a desert with wildflowers. Learn more about this lovely Chilean succulent on the Calandrinia page of my site, deborahleebaldwin.com. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Share your own experiences with Calandrinia, and do ask questions if you like. My goal is to inspire you to enjoy using succulents in fun and creative ways in your own garden and outdoor living areas. Please subscribe to my channel, enjoy my past videos, and visit my ad-free site for extensive illustrated information on every aspect of succulents. I'm Deborah Lee Baldwin. Thank you for joining me.